My notebook on my desk. Okay, can we start? Arrange all your notes one side. Let me mark. No, I want to mark their notes.
You must inform about your notes. Can you teach me something?
It depends on what you want me to teach you.
Mommy, I finished my.
If it's spaghetti, why you don't finish it?
Mommy, no, you not give me
Annabelle.
something yesterday.
Yeah, it's something that is raining just Hi, Chiekezie Abo. I hope I pronounced your name well. Chiekezie Abo, right? Hi, good afternoon to you. Welcome to the live stream. Yes, I'm talking now. I mute it before. My students were talking to me. I have to mute it. I hope you can hear me now. Welcome to the live stream, dear. How are you doing? Where are you watching me from? You sound Igbo. Are you Igbo? Do you understand Igbo? Can you speak? What's up? What is it? What happened? You should tell me now. From Enugu State. You're in Enugu State. What people don't want to tell me. I say it fell off from here. I kept hearing that. Yes, I can understand Igbo language. Hey, yeah. So where do you stay? Where are you watching me from? Let's see Elvis. People should tell me what you are talking about. Yes, I know Sugar. I know. I have friends from there. Judith.
Yes.
Class, no, it's not.
Yeah. Joseph in our class. That they say he wasn't. It's actually true because I asked him. He was in CCA lab. It's precious in their class. Last time. He did not deny it.
Oh, he said, what is the reason why you are doing the live stream for? And SS3 students writing WAEC this year. Wow. Congrats in advance. The reason why I'm doing the live stream is to see my subscribers, see what they think, see whether they have questions to ask me. I post videos. If you check my channel, you see that I post videos. So sometimes you just come out so that I see if your subscribers can ask you some questions. If there is anything they want, if there's anything you want me to talk about, yes, I will talk. I'm a math teacher. So if you have anything question you want to ask me, sit down.
I don't know. This thing, no, he entered. I tried making.
Mama said she was not hearing that. There is one this thing in CapCut I used to remove noise, but you have to subscribe.
I use it, it's still no. I get standard. I subscribe to standard features.
How many?
6.5.
6.5 for how many months?
1 month.
Okay.
44,000 in a year.
Okay, what are the features you are benefiting from?
Like if I want to put myself, if I remove my background,
Okay.
and put myself on another video, it can do that.
Wow.
Now
What
because
are
of
the-
that one, I do this subscribe.
What are the main focus in WAEC mathematics to pass successfully? First of all,
Nigeria.
Nigeria, yes.
All right.
Okay, Chike. I'm coming there. Okay. For Friday is public holiday.
Before I don't pay anything, I should come and check. Because say you know if you understand the science like people they put for our family, they go to the I should come and check how it is before paying.
It's better like that. And if possible, say, go to the faculty, find out other students that are there and find out whether they graduate or they can keep students for long. We'll see tomorrow.
What is today? Okay, tomorrow you are.
I will do it this evening. I'll do it this evening, yes. Okay, good night. Okay.
Good night, everybody.
Good night. Now, supposed to be saying good night.
Oh, so nice,
I'm a boy.
man.
Okay, I'm coming. Check and see if you are there. Say hi. Let me know that you are still there so I can answer your question. Please, if you are there, say hi. Sorry for the distraction. I was talking to my colleague.
Community friends, he said that they were playing badminton inside the CCA lab. Then after playing it, the girl said they didn't fight. And then she now threw the first punch. Then he now came at the wall.
Who saw them?
Rachel. You know Rachel in our class.
Please, can you repeat the answer on the main focus? I was busy doing something and it cut it. Oh, okay. Meaning that you can hear me. I will be very sincere with you. Your question is what you can do to successfully pass mathematics in WAEC, right? This preparation is something you're supposed to have started doing since SS1. WAEC will ask you question from SS1, SS2, then SS3. You have to know things very well in SS1. And if you don't know things or you can't remember things in SS1, that is where one thing that one of the best you are going to do comes up. Past questions. Start solving past questions. Do not skip any day without solving past questions. Get your past questions, mathematics past questions. Solve. If you want the way it will help you. If you choose one topic, maybe bearing, solve bearing in all the years, at least 6 years, consecutive 6 years. You choose another topic, but if that one will not be okay by you, just randomly be solving past question, finish 1 year, go to another year, then and so on and so forth. If you discover that you cannot solve or don't understand why using past questions, look for a coach, look for math teacher that can coach you, or maybe both of you will be solving past questions, okay? And do not miss any day. Even if it's just 20 minutes a day, use it to solve mathematics. Even if it's just 20 minutes. 20 minutes to 30 minutes can make a big difference. Then do not try to cram it, because the questions are definitely not going to be the same. Do not try to cram it. What you are going to do, each one you are solving, understand it. If you are still doubting after solving whether you understand, search for the topic in textbooks and try solving exercises or in past questions to solve more exercises or more questions to be sure that this particular topic is good to go. In WAEC, there is what we call A and B, accuracy, method, and bonus. WAEC examiners, of which I'm one of them, mark answers step by step. Do not, anything you are solving, make sure you put it down. Each thing you write down, any step you write down has a mark. That is where bonus mark comes in. Then the method you use too. Then your accuracy. There is nothing like you writing your answer and say, this is my answer. That answer you get is just 1A. That is A1. Just 1 mark. But bonuses you are going to get if your steps are complete will go a long way. So if you have any other question, you can throw it. Yuvraj, hi Yuvraj. Hello, I'm from US. You're welcome to my live stream. How are you doing today? What's the time in US now? Welcome to live stream. Yeah, you're highly welcome to live stream. How are you doing today? What's the time? So please, if you have any other question, go ahead. I'm here. I'll answer you.
VSS one is test or
No, it's not though. And the class one. Can I achieve that? Because WAEC is almost 2 weeks and I don't have money now to buy past question for mathematics. Is there any solution to that? There is no solution to that.
If you have a phone, you should go to my school NG. My school NG is
That is past question. He said he doesn't have money. Is that one free?
You just use your phone. It's a website. You just Google type my school.ng. No, it will show you it, but then when you click on it, you see WAEC, you see NECO, then you click on it, PTA.
Okay, one of my students said that if you cannot buy past questions for mathematics, since you have a phone, go to my school website. Just type www.myschoolwebsite. myschool.ng.
Yeah.
I don't know whether I have paper. www.myschool.ng. If you go there, you see website for WAEC. Then you click on it. Past questions are there. Okay. WAEC is in less than 2 weeks. WAEC has started officially. It's just that mathematics might not be immediately. So it's either you use the one about there is nothing you are telling me. If you are solving with your phone, can you write it for me? No, I will call, then you write. There's no way I can write it. I'm not having any other phone. If you have a pen, I can call it for you. Since you're having a phone, www.
Everybody has gone
Yes. You have to combine them. Mix it up.
I think
The man ask you to prepare gender topics. Okay, we say call it. I'm coming. www.myschool.ng. 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 So you see WAEC right there. See WAEC, okay? You have to join them. Like this place that they say, then this one should also be here. This is what I prepared. I told you for already now. that I gave you people leadership and integrity. Someone should talk on that. See our own. I made our own and I combined them. I've removed. Yeah, as I told you, put to a copy now. See my own. Self-worth and identity. That is what topic I brought. Okay. And the second one, leadership and integrity. You have to mix it up. And academic and career choices. Self-discipline. Self-discipline is what SS1 will be talking about, and I was the one that brought it. Then respect, value, and godly living. So you have to mix it up. Okay? Yes? Yes, I've done it. It will stop for you to recopy now. See the topic here.
Yes, perfect. It's not perfect.
Sharon, you're welcome back. Do you teach any other subject than mathematics? Not actually. I further maths and mathematics anyway. I teach further maths and mathematics. Anything that has to do with mathematics, that's what I teach. Yes. For the clue I gave you now, the tips I gave you now, is applicable to other subjects. The only difference is that other subjects, maybe economics, civic, and all that, you can cram them and enter home, but you can't cram mathematics. You have to understand how to solve it so that you won't end up. What happened? Theophilus, come first. Nation on the way. Because same rice same na school, I go na jibu. Please let me buy chocolate outside. Come, let me show you the type. Extreme. You see extreme?
Extreme brown.
Wow, it's not expensive. Buy as many as you can afford. Can I know where you are talking from? I'm talking from Abuja, Nigeria. I have one. I'm waiting for you people now. It's something you people can look at and know whether they are. It's something you people can look at and
Great pain, let's start.
what? He can print. He did not show me topics, he printed it out. I've already done the topic and that's what we are following.
No, they've not printed it.
Don't print it yet though.
Okay, but should we rewrite it before giving you secondary?
If you rewrite, you give principal to assign teachers. This one.
Okay, perfect.
I think you are busy. No, I'm not busy. Go ahead. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to my students. They're here too. Thanks for the like. Guys, please guide the live stream. Oh, I forgot to say. I'm not busy. If I'm busy, I will be in the class teaching. I'm here to answer questions online, attend to my subscribers, offline and online. I don't know where my red pens are. Chiamaka, you should look for red pens. So no, I'm not that busy. I'm just here to answer questions. Okay, which school? Okay, say which school? Are you in Abuja?
Okay, that's the review your word.
Sheikh is here. Are you in Abuja?
Look at which space was you? Write it now. So
It's you that you draw it now. Use full scap
okay,
sheet.
can we write this thing inside? No, you just had the topic. Just read for example how you saw the brought how you said like.
So even if I tell you the school, you will not know.
Just like this, like
The school is in Abuja. Even if I tell you the school, you will not know.
you teachers like.
See this self-worth and identity. The topic, the person will make sure he cover his self-worth, confidence, and understanding personal value. Okay, that is know your worth. Self-worth and confidence, understanding personal values. Then number this week 2. This week 3 because week 1 has gone. Leadership and identity. What it means to be a female leader because it's gender assembly. Doing the right thing always.
I know, but I mean whether I'm writing this thing.
We are rewriting it so that we can give principal to put names of teachers that can handle it.
So I'm just writing only this type.
Topics, or even subtopic.
Okay, that means I'm writing this one.
Are you writing or Chiamaka is writing?
I'm writing. If I write it now, I'll be here.
They are writing it now. I have to give it to principal today. Next tomorrow is gender assembly, so
You know
you
what?
can't even.
This is locked.
First thing tomorrow morning, I will give her. That thing must be on notice board when teachers are, so that teachers can see it tomorrow. I'm asking what you are most repeated. I am asking what are the most repeated topic you see in mathematics, because you will know the area of concentration, because time is not in my side as an examiner marking WAEC. Okay, the thing is that there is no topic you did in SS1, SS2, SS3 that will not come out during WAEC. Just bear it in mind. If you not see it, go BJ, you see it theory. But most especially the one you should be focusing on now is the one of theory, because that's where your mark comes from. If you can plot all the graph, quadratic graph, inequality graph, statistic graph, trigonometric graph, you are good to go for graph. I repeat, quadratic equation graph, inequality graph, trigonometric graph, okay, statistic graph, you are good to go. Histogram bar chart, know the difference. Go give, that is a cumulative frequency curve. Then bearing, I don't know why bearing keep up coming up in my mind. In fact, throughout this week I've been teaching my children, my students, bearing, because my mind keep telling me that bearing must be there. Then longitude and latitude, you have to know that one. Trigonometry, you have to know that one. Trigonometry, both the graph, the trigonometry ratios, the Pythagoras rule, everything that have to do with trigonometry, the three quadrants, where you know acts, you know where is positive and negative, where is all positive, where cos is positive, where tan is positive, and where sine is positive, that is acts. Know all these things in trigonometry, then you are good to go. Okay? Son, Benini, Apology. By the time I sabi speak, I also finish. I feel it's a sore person. Waiting go when I come dey learn am if I no use an insult. My time. If I no use an insult, they talk am for church say me I no use outside insult person. This last Sunday, an evening mass at home. What happened? There is not 5 topics here. There's only 2. Show me. Identify them.
Pen is cracking.
Jesus, where my red pen? What happened to Lula? Has principal gone?
How?
Yes.
No.
To think that I don't even know who always took my red pen is annoying. Okay, now I know. What do I need to learn more on graph? And after that, I will tell you something again. I say you should know how to plot all the graph. I mentioned 4 major graphs that WAEC don't miss to fit. If there is no trigonometric graph, there is a quadratic equation graph. And even that quadratic equation graph, you have to learn how to also plot linear graph on it. There is a graph, a statistical graph. There is a trigonometric graph, inequality graph, and all the graph, all those ones. Go and learn them. Elvis, nobody has red pen here. Not every teacher has gone. I don't know where my red pens are, and I have plenty red pens.
I'll mark the notes, there's no remark that way.
Can I have your number so that I can communicate to you when I have problem? My email address is on my bio, so you can just send me email. Okay, my email address is on my bio. Just send me email or drop a comment under any of my videos. I'll answer you. Just send me email. I'll answer you. Okay. If you cannot send me email, you drop your comments under any of my videos. I will answer you there. To take my red, can you help me check here? Esther, check whether there are red pens here. What and which one and which one? Self-discipline, where is it? Self. What you are trying to. All right, ma. Have a wonderful day. We'll talk later. Okay, thank you, dear. I wish you good luck on your exams, okay? What you are trying to do now, you are finding a way not to use this one.
No.
But
What we are
this
saying,
one.
like for example, we see emotional intelligence is here, see understanding the concept of emotional intelligence. That's what we are trying to tell you. Some of them are
Oga. This one you people speak as social prefect board. He's a teacher and a student. A teacher, he assign one student, not a student only talking. But it's wrong. A teacher slash a student work hand in hand. All the prefects will be here. Yes, or most of them. So let me go and read there. Okay, please go and read there. Just keep read. 30 minutes a day is okay. 20. If you can read for 2 hours, you can wake up in night and read. Just keep reading, okay? This one Mr. Tadi. This one Mr. Tadi didn't put what the person was talking about. That's why people will come and waste time to not talk fast. This leadership and integrity. You see here, this is what I want to achieve this step, of which I told you that forwarded to HR and principal, they approved and say I can do anything I want to do to achieve this. I'm not saying make both of them work together since you have mapped out this one. Okay, under this self-discipline, you can decide that the self-discipline you are going to talk about will be personal hygiene and tips for boys. You understand? Under self-discipline, include this personal hygiene there. Okay, then respect and responsibility. Respect and responsibility. You can link it with importance of good behavior towards individual. So if you are talking about respect, and you can make this one work with this one. Are you getting what I'm saying? Then this honesty and integrity. Honesty and integrity. There is another integrity here. So you can, this honesty and integrity, you might actually not use it like that. You can use another topic here to replace it. You get? Or if I see this, anything that, even this character, something you put right here, behavior can go with honesty and integrity.
that's why you put this thing as in like this can come.
God bless you. Join them together since you have discovered emotional intelligence. Go ahead. Okay. Who else?
Communication and communication.
You posted this, you posted it before?
No.
Has any other teacher seen it before? Peer influence and decision making. This one, is there anything related here? You see this peer influence? In anything you do, don't remove it. Because a lot of children are being influenced by their peer or peer pressure or something like that. So you must put it. Do you know that this thing can go with that pornography stuff? Yes. I know Hi, Luca. Hi, Beauty. I can't pronounce your other name. Nan, right? Welcome to live stream. What are you doing? Beauty.
I cried. And was two of you went down on like, then today they reduced, so it was 600.
I'm marking my students group. Beauty say, what are you doing? I'm marking students group and live streaming. I'm from India. How is India? How is India? I heard that Indian currency is a very big currency. Is Indian currency part of hard currencies? Hi. I heard that Indian currency is a very big currency. What is Indian currency equivalent to dollar? $1 is like 1,300 and something.
It's 1.5 now.
1.15. 1.5. No, if it is 1.5, yeah, it's not 1.5. Nice.
You see, there was a time that had more than that. Yes, there was. So,
Do you know when that one was? What's your name? My name is Tonia, as in Tonia'sTalk. Tonia, as in Tonia'sTalk. Please double tap to like the live stream.
About that debate club, right? I actually had a thought about it. Yes. So my sister said that press club is actually literally slash debate club.
Maybe they join them.
Yes, because I wanted to during the holiday. I mean, I'm Victorious. I thought. We're talking about this thing. So I'm not even sure that debate club because my former school, primary school, we had debate club. There was a debate club. The master said that it's literally slash debate club.
think so, but that's it's not like when they have the beat club and it's never beat club.
But I've not seen them do any with bullying. Mm,
Has we taken them?
or in the mall.
Eh? What's that?
Time is even 4:52, 54.
What's that?
Thanks for the like.
You should enter by the half sex. You know that it's like not enter. Where this man goes to? Yes. The man say enter, don't worry. Don't enter. I need not be. Not if you're okay. Never mind.
No idea. Are two of them going?
Was surprising.
I'm looking for the current this thing. I don't see from there. Now my hand won't go touch Instagram. Now I can't go they watch Instagram. What they say as they say they busy. No, I know vessel. Do you know that if God come down and say what exactly you want to do for a living? Sleep, wake up, press phone, and be paid. I don't want to do anything.
Who does? Who wants to do something? But they still wake up and rest for no.
Some people are claiming they want to. I'm a very hard work person. I don't wanna sit idle. I do this one, I do that. I want to sit idle. I don't want to sit me, I want to sit you. Wake up, please. There is a member who will listen to. So you don't know. A member is a worker. As you go to public here, those women who know the work with their housewife. You see, say, a member na work. One don't put food for fire, it burn. One don't do am but forget to go carry him pikin for school.
Yeah. I need. Okay. Why is that? Okay, we're not discussing that. Every house.
That says 1 8 2 things.
looking for thing. Thing. Which one is thing? The same thing. There's no thing. I'm just looking down. Oh, what the question and answer. I thought you said I have to do last. Okay, that's
Question and answer man, 2 weeks now.
let's add some to me. Remember what I know is that
What's that? Okay.
for the thing, what's the lesson? What's the
Rock, paper, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. People don't use that in short food.
Okay. So what's about to ask?
Just go to each, buy a lot of things. Shawarma, rice, rock, paper. Give it, let's do one.
No, you wasted 1 second.
I didn't waste it.
You did it wrong first. You wasted 1 second. Rock, but just ha.
It's another, I know that, but it's a topic of like
Which one are you working on today?
weekend.
Writing a book or giving a speech?
If you write a book, can't you still give speech?
Because they can do both.
I don't understand.
So on Wednesday we are doing it. People be addressing.
Next week, Wednesday, right?
SS3.
But we don't have much crowd. SS3 are just good.
SS3 and
When's first time?
SS1.
About writing
It would have been all the teachers.
I'm lost. Like the topic.
SS3 and all the teachers.
SS3 and all the teachers.
They come and talk to us about integrity and leadership. Come out as a public speaker. Good morning. My name is this.
And talk to. Yeah, it's actually.
Look for someone that you study for like 2 days. Read the person, read about the person, imitate the person, and
I
come.
already have a person. I already even have already just to write it down. Dora.
Okay.
Who's that?
Have you watched
Dora,
videos
Dora.
where she's talking to public?
Is it Mrs. Dora?
No.
No, Dora Akunyeri. Is it Miss Dora in our school?
No.
The former
That one that they
That
first
has
and then it pass as staff.
She died. It's her
She died.
She died to
No,
come
he touched her scarf. Now, not that the thing killed, but they later shot the husband.
Okay, I don't know, but I